Good day everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Uncle Fix. My name is George, my cameraman is Zach. Today we're gonna talk about tools what we use to replace windshields on Volvo and Hino trucks, and also Mack garbage truck for like Cascadia and Kenworth. So one day I saw on the internet this tool for about $135, so I decided to make myself. So I bought square tubing on Kijiji and did some little bit welding, glued it, cushion pad, make a handle, you know. Amazing tool. Cost me probably $20-30. You can do a windshield on a Volvo or Hino without this tool, but you have to push either by your hand or by leg, which is make lots of broken glass, you know, lots of mass. So this tool is amazing. You just use it and it doesn't make a mess. In my next video I will show you how to use this tool. It's called roping style windshields because we use the rope to install windshield. That's a Volvo and Hino trucks.
This is Volvo, rope-in style. This is lock-in style.
The other style, we use these tools on Cascadia, Kenworth and Mack garbage truck. So depends on the locking strip, so you're gonna use different hand. How to use it, I will show you in my next videos. But this is amazing tool as well. You can buy on the internet, of course, tool truck or some local stores. Personally, I prefer to use a hook over this tool. I use it a lot, but my experience tells me and I'm more efficient with this. So, but it's whatever you prefer. Also, this tool you can use on any other application. Whatever you do with windshield, you need this plastic stick. Without this, it's very hard to do. Cost $2, but you have to have all this in your pocket. Alright, so that's about it for these tools. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It's very helpful when you guys like the videos. And see you next time. Thank you very much, boys and girls.